Stop prompting. Start building memory. This is how you make AI agents truly watch. If you treat LLMs as black boxes and rely solely on prompt engineering, you are asking a short-term memory goldfish to summarize a feature film. It's inevitable that the context window will forget the beginning. The shift from prompt to architecture is moving from asking "what is it?" to allowing the AI to truly observe and build a timeline. We need to simulate attention, not just regurgitation. The first critical failure point is the chunking strategy. Treating a video transcript as one monolithic block, or even using simple fixed-size chunks, is malpractice. It loses temporal causality. Instead, we must implement semantic and temporal chunking. Break the content down into logical units, scenes, topics, or action beats that maintain their narrative integrity. These meaningful chunks are then encoded into embeddings, transforming raw text into high-dimensional vectors that capture not just the words, but the asterisk meaning asterisk and the narrative weight of the segment. This is where the vector database comes in. It's not just storage, it's the agent's long-term memory cortex, allowing for efficient retrieval based on semantic similarity across vast distances. When a query arrives, say, "What happened after the market dip?" the system doesn't search keywords. It calculates the query vector and retrieves all semantically relevant memory fragments, regardless of when they occurred. But retrieval alone isn't enough. We need the synthesis layer, a second, transient context window dedicated to assembling these retrieved fragments into a coherent narrative thread. This is where the watching happens. The agent doesn't just dump chunks into the prompt, it orders them, filters noise, and compresses the information flow into a consumable context summary. Think of it as the difference between reading a book chapter by chapter versus having a dedicated reviewer who has read the entire volume and can instantly quote specific passages. For truly long-term observation, say, across multiple videos or days, you implement a summary chain. The agent periodically summarizes past interactions into a high-level executive summary. This summary acts as the recency buffer, ensuring that even if the original detail is pushed out of active memory, the high-level conceptual understanding persists for future context. Integrating these layers, temporal chunking, vector retrieval, synthesis buffer, and summary chain, is the architectural blueprint for transforming a stateless prompt into an attentive AI observer. You are no longer prompt engineering. You are designing a cognitive pipeline. Stop hoping the LLM remembers everything, and start building the system that forces it to. If this deep dive into cognitive architecture helped you scale your projects, hit subscribe. Let's build the next generation of memory together.